Oh, is everyone asleep? No! No? Phew! Sheesh! Oh, wow! So beautiful!
Well, well, well. Midnight snacking, are we? How about something healthier?
Huh? No way!
I'll just make it more appealing.
Okay.
What kid doesn't love fruit juice?
Juice?
That's right. Sweet, juicy, and delicious.
Awesome!
Still snoozing? Aw, but it's time to wake up. Honey,
No, not now, Mom!
it's nearly 7. Wake up!
Ugh! No!
I know. She'll always wake up for candy. Smell that? Smells nice, doesn't it? Yes, right this way. Just a bit further now. May as well have some breakfast.
Uh-huh. Ooh! Something stinks! Ugh.
Dig in.
Nope! I want that! See?
Candy? Not for breakfast.
No! I want it!
Drama queen. I can fix this. Starting with a little syrup. And a plate of all the best veggies. But these are no ordinary veggies. They're your new veggie buddy. Isn't he cute? He's joining us for breakfast today. Wanna say hello?
Wow! That looks good! I like this guy! Ooh. Yum!
Yeah? What about these?
Nah, I'm good.
Suit yourself.
I'm stuffed. I guess it's time for school. Well, can't forget all my books. And my notepad. All right. Wait, my PJs. I gotta change. But into what? This feels good. These things will do. Phew. Wait. Whoa, this is cool. Just a couple minutes more.
Honey? This room! It's atrocious! Get up!
Okay.
Your lunch?
This soggy thing? Oh, oops.
Okay, give me a minute. She wants a good lunch. I can do that. Just call me the master sandwich maker. Next up, a popsicle stick, of course. But this ain't no popsicle. It's a bit more savory than that. And grilled to perfection. All done. Hot stuff in here. Want your lunch?
Ooh. Wait. Thank you.
Sabrina, you'd better hurry.
Made it just in time. And with a super yummy lunch. It's really good. Jealous?
Oh, so unfair.
Seems fair to me. Where'd you get all that?
That's my biz.
That smells amazing! Wow! Is that chocolate? Oh, yeah? You wanna play dirty?
Oh. Hello?
Dakota has donuts and cupcakes!
Say less. Okay.
I have to go.
Stop. Let me think. You like gummy bears, right? Then you'll love what's coming up next. Hello, Bubbles. And then, they're soaked and ready to chill. Full of tasty lemon lime soda. Nice and chilled. And ready to eat. Cheers!
Those look amazing!
That's right.
Dakota, I'm back. Come and get it, girls. Frozen to perfection. Ahem.
And like… Where are you going?
Frozen gummies, anyone?
Ugh, the nerve! Ugh!
Thank you. Hey, what's up? What's for lunch?
For lunch, the ultimate delicacy. Nature's candy.
You mean old fruit? Pass.
Hot noodles.
Ugh, too hot!
Or a special porridge.
Yikes. No thanks. Anything else?
I've shown you everything!
I'm so fancy in my chef's hat!
You're teasing me? I trained in Paris! You wanna see real cooking? Then get a load of my secret recipe! Wow! It's so old! And so simple!
Whatever. Wow.
You want gourmet?
Wow.
Smashy smashy! Technical term. Followed by the Holy Grail, otherwise known as chocolate sauce. And finally… Hold on… No! My Skittles! How's that for a sugar rush? Yes!
I'm so ready!
Uh-huh.
They're so beautiful! Mmm! It's perfect!
Yeah, I know.
Hey, Mom! Hey! What a day! Is that a cat?
No chips!
What? Lame.
If you're hungry, I've got noodles for you.
Yikes. Ugh. Ah!
Move! Honey? Is it too spicy for you? Oh dear!
My mouth is on fire, Mom!
Oh, say no more! Ugh!
Really? Gross?
Just wipe it off.
Thanks a lot.
You didn't finish. I can't! You have to eat something. I know. Hello. Uh-huh, that's right. Thanks. Special delivery.
Oh, thank you.
Well, my payment. Oh, yes. But, I'm out of cash, so how about this? Oh, thank you.
Ew, Mom, gross!
Anyway, I got you this, to cool off your food. Just flip the switch, and you've got airflow. Kiss that hot steam goodbye.
Yay! Okay. It worked!
Told you. I'd do anything for my baby.
It's finally opening night!
I brought the snacks.
Woohoo! Let's go! The line's not too long.
Okay.
Hi!
For two, please. Hey, no candy allowed.
No snacks?
Nope. Move it along.
Aw, now what?
Let's go, honey. That guard thinks he's all that. He's most certainly not. Give me your thing.
What? My poppet?
It's showtime. Just watch and learn, people. The holes are just big enough for blueberries. Topped with yogurt or even frosting. Then make the sprinkles rain. Check it out.
Uh-huh. Wow, Mom! The perfect disguise!
We'll see. Shh. Hold it. For two, please. No candy this time. What's that?
Poppets, duh!
Alright, go ahead.
Come on!
Thanks, sir. Uh-huh.
Hey, over here! It's perfect! Especially with these. Take one. Ooh.
Wow.
Yum! Can I have one? Ooh. Wow, this all looks good.
Can I take your order?
I'll have a coffee, please.
That's all? No problem. I'll be right back.
I'm so thirsty.
One freshly brewed cup of Java.
I'm looking forward to this. What the? This is disgusting! Is this a joke?
I'm so sorry. Let's sweeten it up. Oh, we're out of sugar. Oops.
Never mind. I always come prepared. Check this out. This should do the trick. I I knew that would come in handy. Let's try this again. I'm sure it'll be better.
What just happened? Bravo, lady! Wow, you're my favorite customer.
This is so much fun.
My stomach's rumbling. I need a snack. Time to raid my bag.
Ooh, what have you got?
Aw, it's empty.
Well, that's disappointing. There must be something else.
I don't know. Come on. Ugh, this is annoying.
I know. Look what I've got. It's delicious chewy candy. My mouth is watering. Ooh, it's glorious. Gooey and sweet. Just how I like it.
Whoa! Are you kidding me? I want to try.
It's a secret recipe, so you can't tell anyone.
Whoa, so mysterious.
First, I need an empty bottle. Then a pack of my favorite candy. I'll pour this into the bottle. It's so colorful. I'll fill it all the way to the top. That should be enough. Now I'll add syrup. This'll make it all stick together. This is gonna be so tasty. I can put the cap on now. And that's it. A delicious snack in seconds. I'm a genius. It's that easy.
Whoa, that's amazing!
I have a spare. You can have this.
Wow, thanks. I can't wait to try it. Wow, it's yummy! These flowers are beautiful, but not as beautiful as Molly. I'll leave them over here. I need to wrap her gift. This is gonna be great. I can't wait to see her face. She'll be so surprised. She's my dream girl. Everything about her is perfect. My heart skips a beat when I think of her. She's perfect. That's the gift wrapped. I'll grab the rest and go. Hang on. The chocolate has melted. This is a disaster. Molly has a sweet tooth. What am I gonna do? Whoa, look at that. It's so pretty. And it gives me an idea. I know how to save this. I'll snip a corner from the wrapper. Then pour it into a bowl. It looks good. I could eat it all. Anyway, I need a mold. This one has stars in it. I'll fill each star with water. Then I'll place a toothpick in them. I need to freeze them. That didn't take long. Now I'll dip them in the chocolate. The ice will set the chocolate and make little stars. Now I'll fill them with white chocolate. And let them harden. I can put this with the rest. A yummy treat. Molly will love them. Hi, Molly.
Are those for me? That's so sweet. Can I try them? Wow, they're great.
Don't forget these.
You're so romantic.
Another day, another dollar.
Well, hello. How's it going? Can I see a menu?
Whoa! Take it.
Gee, thanks.
Take anything you want.
What should I have? Ah, this looks good.
Coming right up. Wait right there. I need to make this extra special. Aw, this won't do. How do I tell her?
Hey, cutie. I can't wait for my drink.
I won't let you down. This'll have to do. Maybe she'll like it. I have a plan. I'll pour the soda into a bag. Careful, don't want to spill it. So far so good. Then I'll seal the bag. This can go into the ice. Just like this. Then I'll give it a shake.
Look at those moves.
That should do. I think it's ready. I'll take it out of the bag and pour it into a bowl. It looks good. Then I'll add some toppings. This'll give it some crunch. And some sweet, sweet candy. Here you go.
Whoa! For me? It looks amazing! And it tastes even better. Thanks! That was good!
Aw, you ate all your dinner. You deserve a treat.
No thanks, Daddy. I want the rice.
This? Really?
Yes, please!
Who am I to argue?
Yummy! This is just what I want. Open wide! Nom nom! I think it likes it. It's hungry for more.
What is going on? You can't do that.
Why not?
Okay.
It's snack time!
I've worked up an appetite.
Yeah, thinking is hungry work. I'm looking forward to this sushi. What have you got?
Food envy. My lunch is so boring. But Mom made it with love. Aw, that's disappointing.
Oh my gosh! Where's the sushi?
What's everyone else got?
Mmm.
Does everyone have sushi?
Yummy, yummy. So fresh.
Is this really happening? Wait, I've got it. I'll open one of my wraps. Yeah, this'll work. I'll spoon chocolate spread onto it. This is my favorite. I'll smear it all over. Then I'll place a banana on it. Now I'll roll it up. I'll keep it nice and tight. I'll smear more chocolate over the top. I'll sprinkle crushed nuts onto it. Wow, it looks good. But I'm not done. I'll chop it into slices. It looks just like sushi.
Whoa, what's that? It looks great!
I'll use pencils for chopsticks. Let's try it. Impressive, huh? Oh yeah.
No way! Is he for real? I want it! I'm done with this. I wish I had that.
I'm so scared.
It's so creepy.
I can't look, but I can't take my eyes off it. This was a mistake. What the… Ah!
We should have picked a rom-com. It's prank time. This'll be good.
Ah! I want my mommy! Oh, I spilled my drink. Wait, it was you! That was mean! Hold this. I'm upset now.
It was just a bit of fun. I need to make it up to Justin. And I know what to do. I'll dip the straw into my drink. Then flip it around. Now I can put it into Justin's glass. The glass is filling up.
Whoa, what is this witchcraft?
Nope, it's just me. Here you go.
Gimme, gimme! This is just what I want. Cheers! Ugh, it's so scary.
It's okay, I've gotcha.
What's on TV? Nah, boring. Oh, this looks good. Mmm, a juicy burger. That's making me hungry. I need food! I've got all my ingredients. Let's make a snack. I'll need a burger bun. Ah, here it is. Just what I need. I can't wait. Ew, gross. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Maybe I can scrape it off. It's worth a try. It's not coming off. Ugh, I hate this. I just want a tasty sandwich. Wait, I know. It's time for some magic. I'll put the bun in my hat, then say the magic words. Abracadabra! Let's take a look. Aw, it didn't work. It's still disgusting. This is a waste of time. Now what am I gonna do? Oh, eggs! Maybe I can use these. I'll just cook them, then peel them. I'll cut them in half and stack my ingredients. Then a sprinkle of sesame seeds. I'll use a toothpick to hold it together. It's a work of art. I deserve this. Mmm, they smell good. I should be a chef. I'm gonna enjoy this. Mmm, so good. I want more.